Hi guys, my name's Marty, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a click to call button on WordPress. This will allow our visitors to click a button on our website that'll automatically call whatever phone number we enter. The process of adding a click to call button is super simple. We can add them to pages, posts, and widget areas. We can add as many of them as we like, and we don't need any plugins to do it either. So to get started, we just need to open up the page, post, or widget area we want to add our button to, and we want it open in the editor. Then we need to take a new line where we want the call button to appear, click the plus symbol to the right to add a new block, type the word button in here, and click on the buttons block to add it. Then we can type our button text, and I'm just going to put click to call for mine. And now we can link our button. To do this, we just need to click the link icon in the menu above. Then in here, we're going to type TEL, short for telephone, and then a colon, followed by our phone number. So TEL, then a colon, and then our phone number. If this is a local website, or you won't be expecting any international calls, you can just enter your phone number as you normally would. Or if you do plan to accept international calls, you will need to enter the number with your country's international dialing code. So in the UK, this would mean removing the 0 at the start and replacing it with +44. I'll add a link to a website in the video description that'll help you figure out your country's dialing code if you don't know it already. But you only need to add the dialing code if you're expecting international calls. Then once we've added our phone number, we just need to hit return on our keyboard to add the link. Then we can style our button as normal over on the right, but I'm just going to leave mine as it is to save time. And just to mention it, we don't actually need to use a button. We can do the same thing for linking images and standard text links. As long as we type TEL and then the colon before our number when adding the link, it should work fine. Then either way, once we've linked our button, we just need to save our changes. And now when I visit the page and click on the button, we can see it opens up the call options. Now, as this is on my computer and I don't have a phone service set up, it gives me an option to set one up. But if we take a look at my mobile and I click on the same button, it opens up this pop-up to call the number. So that's us now at the end, and that was how to add a simple click to call button on WordPress. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a like here on YouTube to show your support, and consider subscribing for more WordPress tutorials like this. Once again, my name's Marty, and thank you for watching.